The Tests and Quizzes tool in Sakai is used for distributing, collecting, and grading assignments. This tool is especially useful for multiple choice or fill-in-the-blank questions, because those types of questions can be graded automatically. To access the Tests and Quizzes tool, select it from the tool menu to the left. A table with assessments will display in the Assessments view. Drafts are distinguished with a bold red label, and published assessments will display as a separate row. To filter assessments that display in the table, click the View drop-down at the top left. Assessments can be filtered by status. By default, the table is sorted by modified date, and the most recently edited assessments will display at the top. To sort the table by a different detail, click any of the column header links. Use the Actions drop-down to adjust assessments, such as to edit, configure settings, or publish. Note that the options in the Actions menu differ between draft and published copies. To remove an assessment, highlight the checkbox in the Remove column and click the Remove Selected button. We recommend maintaining draft copies because drafts can be imported to future course sites, unlike published assessments. Assessments that have been removed can be restored in the trash view. To create a new assessment, click the Add button. Then, enter a name into the assessment title field. Next, choose one of the two assessment creation methods. To develop each question within Sakai, select Create using Assessment Builder. To instead use questions that have been drafted outside of Sakai, select the Markup Text option. Creating an assessment with the markup text may be quicker than using the Assessment Builder. However, the Builder supports more options and question types. To avoid surprising settings, keep the default setting in the Assessment Type dropdown. Next, click the Create button. Refer to our other videos for instructions on creating assessments with each method. When assessments are created, they're saved as a draft and won't be visible to students until published. More information about the Tests and Quizzes tool can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.